Hello my darling viewers, back to my old habits. Okay, we're gonna make some soup today, vegetable soup, who takes practically half hour to be done, or maybe 35-40 minutes. So what we do, we're gonna make it vegetable, okay, but with pasta and beans. But you can put meat on this one. You can have little chunks of beef, make sure it's tender, okay, or little chicken breast pieces or other dark meat. Okay, so what we're doing, I'm gonna make it here. First of all, we need olive oil, okay?
Wait, what is this recipe?
It's just a vegetable soup, but it's not, maybe it's the typical, but it's a little more than that. So olive oil, you need, I just got, this is enough for 3 people, but, or 4. If you have 8 people, you can put more vegetables, okay, you will see. So olive oil, 1 onion, I cut up 1 sweet medium to large onion, 1 medium to large tomato, 1/4 cup orzo, which is this one, hold on, it's this, okay, or any other tiny pasta you have, okay, all right. And here I have some green beans, zucchini, and a carrot. Here I cut up like 3 small potatoes, which is, I'm going to drain them now, okay, all right. And I'm going to have a tomato paste because I want to put a little tomato sauce or tomato juice, but I don't have it. So let's start. Oh, the white beans. Yeah, any kind of white bean you have. I have a canned bean, they call it northern white beans, whatever, but salt, pepper, little garlic powder, and I said that tomato paste, and a vegetable broth, or you can put chicken stock or chicken broth. Now, okay, you don't have to measure here, nothing. I like little 3 to 4 tablespoons olive oil. So we're gonna let this heat up a little bit, and we're gonna add the vegetables, okay? And if you want to add another vegetable, go ahead. Whatever you have in your refrigerator, or you come back from work, or whenever you just don't feel like having a big meal, like I said, you can have your meat in there, and then you have everything. Why are you laughing? We're gonna have this, I forgot how to talk, and get hot, and then we're gonna add the vegetables. I said that. With little garlic powder, if you have garlic cloves, 1 garlic clove chopped up, or 2, no more than that. Wow.
Are you gonna put that on?
Did you wear it? Yeah, no, it's not washed. I want it washed. Okay. Here one of my favorite actors in the old days, probably the first one. Who was the first actor anyway? I don't know. I just love him. I never forget his birthday. He born in April 20th, 1893. And I'm telling you, he's the most gutsy at the time. The most gutsy man at the time.
That's Harold Lloyd.
What is this? Okay, Angelo. I don't know, it's just a little water there. I'm gonna put the onions, not the tomatoes here, and oh my goodness. I'm gonna put this, and potatoes. Okay, now we're gonna add a little garlic powder. Okay, a little pepper. Okay. And you know what? Because olive oil is the heart of grease, I'm just gonna add a little more olive oil. I'm gonna toss it around. Okay. Okay, now this is gonna be real good. Boy, I tell you, I miss this. I miss to cook for my viewers. I really did. Okay. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let this cook for 10 minutes. Okay? So it get a little tender, the potatoes and the onions and the carrots. Yeah, I have 1 carrot, some green beans, potatoes, zucchini, and onion. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook for 10 minutes or less. We'll see. And then we're gonna add the rest of the stuff. Surprise, surprise. I think our vegetables is tenderized now. I'm gonna put this right here because I don't want it to go anywhere. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put, oh my gosh, the whole thing in there because it's a soup. Okay. Okay, oh boy. Okay. Oh, this is hot. I think we did this. Now, I'm gonna put the tomatoes. Let's see. Do I have anything in it? And I'm going to put the 1 tablespoon, more than 1 tablespoon, tomato paste, okay? I'm gonna cover it up for 5 minutes, let it come to boil, and then I'm gonna put the pasta and the beans. Salt, pepper, and I think you boil it another 15 minutes. By 3 o'clock, let's see, it's 2:30, by 3 o'clock our soup should be done. Let me put little pepper here now, okay? And the salt later. Let it simmer. It will take like 5 minutes to start boiling. Then we put the rest and it's done. And like I said, the Italians, they put not pepperoni, salami. You know the salami, which is like a roll, they cut it as pieces and they put it in. If you want to put beef, you know that beef I buy from the commissary is so tender and it's already cubes. It's really good. You have to boil it ahead of time though. Chicken, that's fine. Any other, I mean, you can put a, what is that, corned beef? Corn?
Yeah.
You can put that in. You can open your can and put it in. It's really good. And you don't have to do anything else. You have your salad, I mean, your vegetables, you have everything. So, let's get back to it in 10 minutes, okay? Probably less than that. You want to eat some?
Yeah.
It's really good and it smells good. Okay, it's boiling. I'm gonna put the pasta. I don't want to put the whole thing. A quarter of a cup is fine because you don't want to make it like a stew. And if you think it's getting thicker, add a little water to it, okay? So we're gonna let the pasta 5 more minutes and then I add the beans, okay? Look how nice this look. You know? Isn't that looking good? Mm-hmm. Okay, now let it be right now. Look at this. I'm gonna put it here. This is, I increased the heat a little bit because I had to rush it, but you don't have to. So I'm just putting the beans in there now. This doesn't take at all. Okay, so let's wait another about 5 minutes and our soup, it will be done. Look at this, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put a little salt in it. No, you need a little more. Okay, that's as much, I don't know. If you want salt, you can put it, but now, that's what we have. So, we wait like 5 more minutes, okay? And there. You see? Easy.
I don't recommend putting the lid in the sink like
No,
that.
I don't. But you know what? I have clean sink.
It's never.
And I put it there. Turn it off, and we wait a couple of minutes to settle, to sit there, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Oof, it's hot. Ooh, yeah, it looks really good. So, let it sit for a few minutes, and then we're gonna taste it. I think we're ready to serve. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Don't you think this is, look at that. All right, let's fill up this bowl.
Wait, hold that closer to the, yeah, let me get a good shot like that. That's good. That's a good shot, go ahead.
Okay, okay, this is for you, Angelo. I'm gonna, oh my goodness. Hold on. I'm going to taste this in a smaller bowl, okay, because I don't want to eat too much because I'm going to eat dinner. Oh my goodness. And a little bit of potato. First of all, this looks wonderful. I mean, look at that. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Isn't that great?
Mm-hmm. Put your
Okay.
hands under the plate.
Now, I'm going to try this. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me this doesn't look good. The pasta. Let me cut the potato a little bit. Ooh, it is hot. Look at the pasta and the beans and everything. Hold on. Oh, yes. Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
Not only tastes good, but it smells good, you know? Oh God, it is good. It's delicious. What it took, we took our time. We make 2-3 videos after that. You know, it's just so delicious. So, okay. Subscribe, like, favorite, send us your comments, please.
Support us on, remember?
The hold on, I forgot.
Patreon.
The Patreon, okay. Yeah, well, whatever. Okay, this is delicious, okay? Please, please make it. If you want to put meat, whatever, you have good bread, and you just in business. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Oh my God, it's so good. Tell me, Angelo. It's hot though. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
I mean, real good. Anyway, your kids will love it, especially with cold weather. Doesn't matter what weather it is, what kind of weather it is. Just make it. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna eat this. Look at that. Oh my God, it's hot though. Let it cool off a little bit.